Gardening is a fulfilling activity, but without the right tools, it can become a strenuous chore. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, having the proper gear can make all the difference in efficiency and enjoyment. Today, we're diving into the 7 best gardening tools every gardener should have in their toolkit. These products stand out for their design, durability, and performance, making your gardening experience smoother and more productive. So, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears, 5/8 inch. The Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears are an essential tool for any gardener. With their 5/8 inch cutting capacity, these shears are designed to provide clean cuts on live plants without crushing or damaging stems. The bypass design allows the blades to pass by each other, resulting in a smooth, precise cut. The ergonomically designed handles are made from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring you can work for longer periods without discomfort. Whether you're trimming flowers, shrubs, or small trees, these shears make the job easier and more efficient. The quality of the blades is another standout feature. Made from high-carbon steel, they offer exceptional sharpness and are resistant to rust, ensuring they stay sharp through many uses. These pruning shears are also equipped with a low-friction coating that prevents sap and other plant residue from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Their durability ensures they will last for years, and the adjustable tension knob allows for easy customization based on your cutting needs. Fiskars has truly created a tool that combines ease of use, sharpness, and longevity.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. BackEZ Back-Saving Tool Handle Labor. The BackEZ Back-Saving Tool Handle is an innovative gardening tool designed to reduce strain on your back while digging, raking, or shoveling. It attaches to most garden tools, including rakes, shovels, and hoes, transforming them into ergonomically friendly tools that allow you to maintain a neutral wrist and arm position while working. This helps reduce the awkward bending and twisting that often causes back pain. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hands, and its adjustable length ensures that you can use it for various tasks without straining your body. It's perfect for gardeners who want to enjoy their time outside without worrying about the physical toll gardening can take on your back. Made from strong, durable materials, the BackEZ handle is built to withstand constant use in tough garden conditions. It's easy to install and remove, making it a convenient addition to your gardening toolkit. With the BackEZ handle, you can work longer and smarter, protecting your health while enjoying your garden. Number 3. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is not only an excellent tool for digging in the garden, but it also serves as a versatile survival tool. It features a compact, foldable design that makes it easy to store and carry, whether you're gardening or embarking on an outdoor adventure. This shovel's heavy-duty construction is made from high-carbon steel, which provides strength and resistance to rust, making it ideal for use in various weather conditions. What makes the Rhino USA shovel stand out is its multifunctional design. The shovel head can be adjusted to multiple positions, allowing you to use it for digging, chopping, sawing, and even as a bottle opener. This multi-purpose functionality makes it an indispensable tool for gardeners who need a reliable tool that can tackle different tasks. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, even when used for extended periods. Whether you're digging trenches or simply breaking up soil, this survival shovel makes every task easier and more efficient. Number 4. Sonkir Soil Fade Meter MS02 3-in-1. If you're serious about your garden's health, the Sonkir Soil Fade Meter is an essential tool to have in your collection. This 3-in-1 device measures soil moisture, pH levels, and sunlight, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your garden's conditions. Understanding your soil's fate is crucial for growing healthy plants, as it can affect nutrient availability. So the fade meter ensures that you're working with the right conditions for each plant species. The design of the Sonkir meter is user-friendly and straightforward. It features an easy-to-read display that shows clear measurements, and its probe is long enough to reach deep into the soil to give you an accurate reading. Made with high-quality materials, it's durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The soil moisture and sunlight readings are also helpful in monitoring the optimal conditions for your plants. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this device offers practical insights that help you make informed decisions about watering, fertilizing, and planting. Number 5. Corona Tools 10 RazorTooth Folding Saw. When it comes to cutting through thicker branches or tough shrubs, the Corona Tools 10 RazorTooth Folding Saw is an outstanding option. The 10-inch blade is designed with RazorTooth technology, meaning it has aggressive teeth that cut quickly and efficiently through wood, making pruning and trimming tasks much faster. The folding mechanism allows the saw to be compact when not in use, making it easy to store and carry around your garden. This saw is made from high-quality, heat-treated steel that enhances its durability and helps maintain its sharpness for long periods of use. The ergonomic handle is designed for a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged cutting sessions. The saw also has an impressive ability to cut through both green and dry wood with ease, making it versatile for a range of gardening tasks. Whether you're tackling overgrown branches or preparing firewood, the RazorTooth Folding Saw is a must-have tool in your garden arsenal. Number 6. Fiskars Ergo Garden Trowel. The Fiskars Ergo Garden Trowel is another fantastic tool from the trusted Fiskars brand, known for its comfort and durability. This trowel is ergonomically designed to minimize strain on your hand and wrist, making it ideal for gardeners who spend hours working in the soil. The handle is made from soft, cushioned materials that provide comfort, while the sturdy, rust-resistant steel blade ensures it can cut through soil with ease. The trowel's shape and weight distribution help you maintain a natural hand position, reducing wrist and forearm fatigue. The sharp, pointed blade makes it easy to dig, plant, and transfer soil, while the lightweight design ensures you can carry it around without strain. Whether you're planting flowers, vegetables, or digging small holes for seedlings, this trowel will help you complete the task with minimal effort. Fiskars has engineered this tool with long-lasting materials, ensuring that it will remain a reliable part of your garden toolkit for years to come. Number 7. Fiskars X27 Super Splitting Axe 36. For gardeners dealing with larger projects or needing to split firewood, the Fiskars X27 Super Splitting Axe is the ultimate tool to get the job done. With its 36-inch handle, this axe is designed for maximum leverage, allowing you to chop wood more efficiently with less force. The axe head is made from a durable, hardened steel material that provides excellent performance in cutting through tough wood. The design of the X27 is optimized for comfort and power. Its unique, lightweight handle ensures a smooth swing, while the shock-absorbing features reduce the impact on your hands and arms. The blade is sharp and well-balanced, making the axe effective in cutting through logs with precision. The extended handle length gives you greater control and power, making it easier to tackle tough splitting tasks. Whether you're preparing firewood for the winter or splitting larger logs for garden projects, the Fiskars X27 Super Splitting Axe is a tool that makes the job significantly easier. Having the right tools can truly transform your gardening experience. Whether you need to prune, dig, or split wood, these 7 tools are designed to make your tasks easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Each one has been carefully crafted to offer durability, comfort, and exceptional performance. Invest in these tools today, and you'll be well equipped for any gardening challenge that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!